All right, today we're talking about interjections, and an interjection is just a word or a phrase that interrupts the flow of a sentence. A lot of them are followed by exclamation points, like, wow, I can't believe that just happened. So that would be wow, exclamation point. But some of them you can just use commas for, and since we're talking about a lot about commas, that's what I want to cover today. So I wrote some down. I mean, you could use wow with a comma too if you wanted to. It just depends what you're trying to get across, how much excitement or the lack of it. Okay, so here are some words that interrupt the flow of a sentence. Well, or or yes, or no. Oh, okay. And then wow, and then okay. So there's just a few words. There's a whole lot of words that can interrupt the flow of a sentence. When you have interjections, commas go on both sides. Okay, unless if it's at the very beginning, you can't have a comma before it, and if it's at the very end of a sentence, you can't have a comma after it. But as long as you can, put a comma on both sides. Okay. Let me see what this says. It says, now I just need your address. All right. So all right interrupts the flow of the sentence, and we can't put a comma after it because there's a question mark there, but it does receive a comma before it. Okay. How about this one? I think that, yes, we could make that work. So the person who said this just interrupted themselves to say yes right smack in the middle of their sentence. So we get a comma on both sides of it. And then, okay, well, let's talk about that. Well, the first one has a comma after it. Okay. You can't put a comma before it. Now there's another one immediately after that, and it has a comma before it and after it. All right, let's talk about that. So that is how to put commas around an interjection. Okay, so you guys are ready to take section 1. I think that's the only section in this quiz, and then just feel free to leave me any feedback. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.